All right, today we're going to talk about living trust. Now, what is a living trust? A living trust is a device people use to place their assets into this trust and then have a trustee manage those assets. And the trustee can be the person who originally owned those assets, or it can be someone else. So, what are the advantages of having a living trust? Well, the number one reason why people have a living trust is to avoid the probate process. By having your assets in a living trust, you are the trustee, and at some point the backup trustee, your successor trustee, will take over managing those assets. So if you die, those assets are already in a trust. You don't own them, the trust does, and they pass to being managed by the successor trustee. All right, so we've talked about the advantages. What are the disadvantages of a living trust? Well, they're complicated. You have to get every single asset you own out of your name and into the name of the living trust. You have to pay to get the trust set up, usually by paying an attorney to do that for you. And sometimes they just end up causing a headache, and the probate process is a little bit more straightforward, and people are generally more familiar with the probate process than they are with the trust process. So those are the disadvantages as opposed to the advantages. You've got the advantages of avoiding the probate process. Disadvantages are it can be complicated and it's unfamiliar to most people. You can find out more about different legal issues by watching my other YouTube videos, or you can check out my website, attorney-knoxville.com.